Hi, I'm here at
Hi.
Cuppachai with Salinta. This is her place in Bangkok. It's a Anglo-Indian
Brunch place.
brunch place. It's really cute. Take a look. Hi, I'm with Chef Vish. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Yeah, we're here at Cuppachai, and he's going to teach me how to make some poha, which is a dish
Maharashtrian
from
dish.
Maharashtra.
Yeah, this is where I am from. Yeah, and it's basically what people over there eat for breakfast all day. It's a flattened rice salad with some potatoes, onions, chilies, and we make it a bit sweet by giving jalebi on side.
I'm asking Chef Vish to teach me how to make poha because I thought I knew how to make poha, but his poha is like 1,000 times better than my poha. So that's why I'm forcing him to teach me so I can make it as good as you.
And my mom used to make it at home, so I just try to take the recipe from her.
Okay, nice. So this is his mom's recipe. So here are the ingredients. What is it? This is
Peanuts, crushed peanuts.
Okay.
We have some potatoes which are cut into cubes and fried.
Okay.
We have made the jalebi beforehand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then we have some pomegranate seeds and coconut shell.
Okay. All right, and then we also have these. This is
Lila. It's cumin seeds.
cumin and
Mustard
mustard seed. Okay.
And this is a very special powder that we have made in house. It's called Jeeravan powder,
Okay.
and it's basically a mix of different dry spices.
Okay.
Around 15 different dry spices. So first we have to soak the poha so it
Alright.
becomes moist. Yeah. I'm going to soak it for 5 minutes until the time it soaks. I'm going to make the mixture. Yeah.
Okay.
With some oil.
And what type of oil are you using?
Well, you can use sunflower oil, any other oil. I'm using soybean oil now.
Now some mustard seed.
Heat the oil a bit, then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter a bit,
Oh,
you add the cumin. I used to tell my mom to put more of this, but I used to love it. It's starting to splutter slightly. Add this. So you add double the cumin. As soon as it's spluttering, you add this.
Spluttering. You add.
Chopped green.
Oh, you put the green chilies first.
So it doesn't, it doesn't hit your mouth directly.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Then you add the chopped onion.
Wow. Alright, you can smell this right now.
Yeah, the raw potatoes would have
Okay.
to cook in this. Since we have to give out orders very quickly, we pre-cook them. So we will do this on a very low flame. I'm going to do the So now it has been soaked for some time and you can see it's quite soft, Then you add some salt,
Salt.
some turmeric. Mix it with your hands.
That's it?
But
Just
you have-
salt and turmeric?
Yeah. You have to be very careful not to break the poha in this step. Very light. This is done. You add this to the mix. At this stage, you add.
Oh, okay.
So once it's done,
Yeah.
you put this one powder. You have to make sure that you put this powder after you take it off the heat.
What is this powder?
Jeera one. It's very. I'll give you the recipe later. It's a lot of spices.
See, they put the special crack in their poha. This thing. This is the reason why his poha is better than mine. 15 different spices. And then this is.
Just pressure it up with some coriander.
And now I know the secret. Ooh, oh my gosh, it smells so good. That's the spices, right? That I'm smelling?
Spices.
15
the cumin,
spices?
Mustard, everything is there. It's like a beautiful combination of.
It's so pretty. And then you put the lid. Wow.
And then we like to put this also. It gives the
Color.
the color and a bit of sweetness add on to it.
Beautiful.
Which is,
Oh,
I
and
love coconut.
yeah, especially in Thailand, the coconuts are really good.
Then again,
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you
very
so much.
All right, hopefully I can make this at home. But basically, in order to make it at home, I would need this thing. You have to give me the recipe. All right. So this powder is called Jira.
Jiravan.
Jiravin.
Yeah.
But you can't buy it. You
No,
have
it's
to,
not commercially sold. It's not that popular also in India, you know. So
It's
that,
not popular?
It's not popular. That's why so if the home cooks want to make it, they make it in small batches.
Oh.
So if the commercial ones want to sell this on a mass basis, it won't sell that much. It's
Oh,
not that
really?
popular. But
Okay.
it is very tasty.
But what is it?
It's a blend of different spices and different ratios. There are 15 spices in total. It's coriander, cumin, nutmeg is there. I have written it down. I don't have
You
it by
don't
heart.
remember it?
Means I don't have it.
It's too many.
Yeah, it's
Too
just
many yummy
at
spices.
different levels.
Yeah. Wow. So this poha is like, it's like a 17 spice poha, pretty much.
You can say.
No. Well, turmeric doesn't really have a flavor.
Yeah, turmeric is
so
just
it's a 17 spice
kind
poha.
of. Yeah.
That's what you should put on the menu. It's a little misleading.
Well, actually, everything is so. This powder also that we make here is
Yeah.
not commercially bought.
Oh,
We make it
make
garam
it here.
masala. So a lot of the spices we are trying to do it in-house so that we
Nice.
have that unique taste within the food. You know.
Yeah. It tastes like home cooking. Does it taste like your mom's?
Kind of, yes.
Better.
My mom is always, there's no competition to that, so I don't want to say that this tastes better than mom, but it has a different taste for sure.
It's really, really delicious. So if you're in Bangkok, come check this place out. It's amazing and very cute too. And they have amazing chai because it's called Cuppachai.
Yeah.
So come in for some chai and some Khlong and see Chef Vish. All right, let's have a bite of this 17 spice poha. Ooh, and look, have a nice dirty chai. Thank you, Slinta.